Is spread betting more complicated than shares dealing? I have no idea why people tend to think that spread betting is more complicated than shares dealing. Do you want to buy 1,000 shares? That's £10 per point. 2,000 shares, £20 per point. Not complicated at all, really. Instead of stocks, buy a spread bet. If you buy 500 Lloyds Banking Group shares, you will make £5 every time Lloyds Banking Group moves up a penny. Likewise, when you spread bet Lloyds Banking Group at £5 a point, you will also make £5 every time Lloyds Banking Group moves up a penny. Now if you buy 500 Lloyds Banking Group shares at 54 pence, this will cost you £270 plus cost. If you spread bet Lloyds Banking Group shares at £5 per point, you will deposit £27, which is 10% margin deposit, and this will go to the spread betting provider. Now if Lloyds Banking Group goes bust, you will still owe them the balance of £270, and should the trade go against you, you will lose £5 per point. Now there are no costs with a spread bet, but the bid-offer spread is a little wider than the market. Shorting shares with spread betting. You can short shares far more easily with spread betting than with shares trading. The notion is the same. If you short Lloyds Banking Group £5 per point, you will make £5 every time Lloyds goes down. You will again give the spread bet provider £27. The only difference here is that your liability is potentially infinite because Lloyds Banking Group can just go up and up and up. Stops are therefore even more important on shorts than longs. A spread betting tip. Buying £100 per point of Party Gaming stock is the equivalent of 10,000 shares. To get the equivalent share value, you need to add 2 zeros to your stake. Inexperienced spread bettors often underestimate the true financial value of position sizes, be it shares, indices, or forex. But they should be reminded that a £1 bet on a pound US transaction is the equivalent of taking out a position of around £19,200. For more information, visit www.financial-spread-betting.com.